Hey guys, just me with you today. As a professional photographer, I use Neewer kit a lot. I spend my own money on it. I like it that much. I use their lens filters, their tripods, accessories. I find them really good quality at a reasonable price. Are they better quality things? Undoubtedly. Are they more expensive? Undoubtedly as well. So a lot of what you're seeing now was shot using Neewer filters, and I find they work really well for me. So I was really lucky the other day when they reached out to me and said, hey, we've got a new glass mount. Will you take a look at it? Will you give it a try? So yeah, absolutely love to. So we're going to take a look at it now and I will give you my honest opinion on it. Is it a hit? Is it a miss? Is it good value for money? Let's take a look. So this is the mount that Neewer sent us. We'll start off opening up, have a look. Warranty, stuff we'll never read. It's quite nicely boxed, no wasted space. And this is it, little suction mount. So we get a suction mount. It has a little cover for when you put it away so it doesn't get dirty. And then we've got various adapters that will attach onto it. So we've got the phone adapter, GoPro adapter, an adapter for an adapter. It's a lovely small mount, doesn't take up a lot of room in a camera bag. So here we have the universal mount. This is, you'd think this would unscrew a lot, but it doesn't. There's only really a whole turn between locked and unlocked. It's really good. Once it's unlocked, you can set these to whatever angle you need. So it's basically very, very adjustable. Once we've got it on there, we can set to whatever angle we need. And then it's one turn to lock, and that's held on and solid. Really clever little bit of design that again. It doesn't need lots and lots of movement. It just one simple turn, locks, everything's done. The other thing that I've found with this is you don't need to stick it to glass. It's pretty good because it's a vacuum. Here we've got the countertop. Just put it on, obviously. Lifts off. A little bit of pressure. Pump it up. And that's it. That's locked on to the countertop. Really, really solid. And we have these little things here. All you need to do, a little squeeze, and it's off. Really is that simple. We've got our phone mount. And that screws in there. It's sprung loaded, various things. I really like this here. It has a hot shoe adapter. So obviously it's not going to fire the hot shoe. There's no electronics in there, but it means you can put your radio mics on there. You can put a light on there if you want to. Lots of options with that. So clever, nice bit of thinking there with the hot shoe adapter. And the last adapter that comes with it is just a standard GoPro adapter. So you can pop your GoPro on the top as ever, just screws in. And that's it. You attach it to your glass, everything else. Pump it up, creates a suction, it's there. So I've got to go and pick Helen up from the airport. She's been off doing windswept and interesting things. So I'll stick it in the car. We'll have a chat on the way down and you can see how it works. So as you can see, I'm getting ready to head off to the airport to pick up Helen. You'll see I'm going to pop the mount on with the GoPro and we'll take a look and see how easy it is to fit. I need to decide where I'm going to put it. We'll do a bit of a time lapse. I think will be quite nice. We have various options. We could put it on the roof. Let's take a look at how it fits. So that looks like it'll be okay. We'll pop that one up there. Adjust our angles for the time lapse. And there we go. It really is as simple as that to fit. So I'm going to be heading off in a moment. Let's just go and make sure the dog's got something to drink while I'm away, and we'll crack on. Right, let's go and collect Helen from the airport. So in summary, is it any good? Well, I really like the build quality. Everything's metal, possibly aluminium. I'm not a metal expert. It's really well made, good quality. It's pretty good. However, it's not without its faults. On a flat surface, it's really good. It's solid. I can't get it off, giving it a good hit until you release the little tabs, and then it comes off easily. We found on glass this is not the case. You have to really push it down hard and then seal it. If you do that, it stays on perfectly. If you don't, if you just push and attach it, it's not really very good, especially when you've got it like this with the GoPro hanging down. There's a lot of weight on there, it pulls off. So you have to really push it hard on, and then it's okay. So would I recommend it? Yes, I would recommend it, but yes, you do need to use it and be aware of its limitations. New Neewer Mini Mount, really good. Watch out for glass. Make sure you seal it properly, and it will do you great. Thank you for taking the time to watch. If you've enjoyed the video, do click the button, give us a like and a subscribe. It really helps us a lot. If you've got any questions, anything that wasn't clear, put them in the comments below. Helps us, helps you. And yeah, thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.